Hello boys and girls, this is our phonics lesson and we will begin by practicing some rhyming words. If you remember, we have been practicing identifying words that rhyme. That means they sound alike at the end. I have two pairs of words right here, and in order to check if the words rhyme, we look at the ending. If the ending is the same, that means they rhyme. If they end with the same sound, they rhyme. If they don't rhyme. So we're going to look at these words. Let's look at ham, ran. I notice that the end of ham is am. The end of ran is an. The end of the words doesn't sound the same. So these two words don't rhyme. Okay? Now we're going to look at this pair of words. Rip, sip. I look at the end. On rip, the end is ip. And the end of sip is ip. Ip, ip. They end with the same sound, so they rhyme. Now I'm going to show you another. So this one is a rhyming word. I have two more pairs of words. Mat, hat. Let's look at the ending. This one ends in at. This one ends in at. Mat, hat. They sound the same at the end, so they rhyme. Let's look at this one. Fit, hit. The end is it. The end is it. Fit, hit. They have the same ending. They sound the same at the end. So we can tell that this pair of words also rhyme. Now, at home, I want you to take a few seconds to say pairs of words that you know. Tell them to somebody that is next to you, like your mom or somebody that takes care of you. Okay, we're going to continue with our lesson. The second part is for practicing our letter sounds. You know, we have been looking at letter cards, okay? I'm going to show you again the cards with the picture for all the letters we've been practicing. And we're going to say the name of the letter, the word for the picture, and the sound for the letter. So we're going to do it a little fast together. Ready? H, horse. C, canoe. N, nest. N. P, puma. M, map. M. A, apple. A. T, tomato. T. F, fossil. I, inch. E. S, sun. Okay, that was a little fast. Now it's your turn. I'm going to point and you're gonna say the whole thing. You're gonna say the letter name, the word for the letter, and the sound for the letter. Ready? practice all the letters that we have been learning. The next part of our lesson is going to be for you to write some words. We're going to separate the sounds in some words that I will say. These words will have the sound of A and E. So I will say the word and you will repeat the word. Okay? I will use the word in a sentence so you know which word I'm talking about. Then you're going to say it slowly, count the sounds you hear, draw some boxes for each sound, and finally write the letters in the boxes. So we're gonna make an example first. Okay? I'm gonna say the word. The word is hit. Say the word. Hit. I hit the ball with a bat. Then I'm going to say it slowly. Hit. Hit. I'm going to count the sounds that I hear. It. I heard 3 sounds, so I'm going to draw 3 boxes. 3 boxes, and I'm going to write each sound in a box. E. T. Hit. Okay, so there's a lot to do for this exercise. So let's start again. I will say the word. The word is pin. In a sentence, I would say, I put a pin on my shirt. Now we're going to make the sounds slowly. Ready? P, p, in. Let me hear and count the sounds again. P, in. I counted 3 sounds, so I'm going to draw 3 boxes. And I'm going to say the word again. P. I hear a P. P. I hear I. Pin. N. Pin. So I said the whole word at the end. Okay? Now you're going to practice. Okay? I'm going to say the word, and you're going to be doing the work in your notebook. Ready? The word is cap. She put a cap on her head. Now you say it slowly and count the sounds. Great. Now, how many sounds did you hear? Draw the boxes for the sounds you hear. Now put each letter for the sounds you hear in each box. Great. You're gonna do one more. The word is ham. The ham is ready to eat. Ham. Say the word. Ham. Now say it slowly to count the sounds. How many sounds did you hear? Draw boxes for the number of sounds that you heard. Now write the letter for the sounds you heard in the boxes. Good job. We will have a separate video for the rest of the lesson.